If you want to make your code more efficient, then you should use LINQ queries. If you want to do certain operations on data table or on arrays, then you should use LINQ queries. We are going to discuss this in this video. So LINQ stands for language integrated query. So if you want to make your Uipath code more efficient, fast, and having less number of activities, then you should use LINQ queries in your project workflows. So we can apply LINQ queries to data table, XML documents, and collections. So to write LINQ queries, there are a certain format. So you have to first define the variable, and then you have to define the data source using join, group, and order by. Then set the condition using where, and then select the data. So let's jump onto the workflow and write an assign activity. Okay, so I'll define an array. It will be of integer array, and I will define one array filter. It will also be a type of integer array. So to write LINQ query, there is certain format. You have to first use brackets, and then we'll define variable from item in array original. Now we have to define the data source, but here we don't have to do it. We just have to use where condition. So what we are trying to achieve over here is to select items which are equal to 2. So where item equals to 2, then we have to select the item. Now what we have to do, we have to convert all this to array. Here we have to define what are the items in array. So there is one thing that you have to focus on, that you have to import system.link into your project. I have already imported it. And there is one more thing, that if you are facing any issue in your workflow, then you have to open the folder where your project is, and then you have to open the main file in Notepad, and then add one assembly reference system.data.dataset extensions. Then your code will be fine. Now what you have to do, I'll create a message box, and then we'll see the count of array filtered. Let's run this. Okay, so there are 3 items that are equal to 2. Okay, this is the way you can apply LINQ query on collections. In the next video we will see how we can apply it over data table and XML documents. Thank you.